I definitely can't recommend this enough, you guys. This unit is flexible. As you can see, it bends to any shape. It's got pads on the inside and on the bottom on the outside. And it basically, you know, can flex and bend to any size model. This is a 32-inch Samsung monitor that I have here. So what I like to do is keep it off to the side so it's not facing directly into my glasses. And you can see here, there's a button on the back. You just press it to hold it to come on. This came fully charged already. Most of the lights that you see are only USB chargeable. I should say operable, meaning they only work if you plug them in. So this has a battery built in, which is really, really important and definitely sets it apart from a lot of the other devices that are out there. You can see here that you can change the brightness with the dimmer switch on top. Okay, and then you can also change the tone to multiple different colors depending on what time of the day it is. So this is really an amazing unit. The other thing I like about it really is that you can use it for other stuff as well. And if you wanted to, you could you know, use it for photography and just put it on top of something. But highly recommended. Really, really nice. It's really bright as well. The other thing is, you can see right here on the back, it's got a nice little LED indicator on the very top of the power of the battery and what's left. So you can see I need to charge mine right now, but I haven't even charged it. I've used it 4, 5, 6 times already, and I haven't even charged it since I got it from Amazon. So great light, really, really nice.